IDF from Augusta, British Columbia. We are back here again with another do's and don'ts. This time, Nick from Langley sent us a link to a video that shows what to do against a rifle pointing at you. So we're going to use this mini thing. That video shows that if someone is pointing at you that rifle, what you should do is grab the barrel and take it up and then keep the hold of your attacker. I don't think so. It's gonna get you shot and it's gonna get you killed. Because if you do catch the barrel and do that, the attacker has so much time to shoot your chest, your chin, your face, your head off. So, do not do it. It doesn't work. Let's say that you were fast enough and you did catch the gun and you did that. You're going to get a lot of it into your face. So you're going to get hit anyway. If you want to learn how to avoid and deal with attacks of warm weapon, cold weapon, and any other kind of attack, IDF Krav Maga.ca